Unboxing video of some Fab House control arms by one very keen 7-year-old. That's it. Yeah, let me stretch it with you. Yep, keep going. Yep. It's a bit thick, isn't it?
Yeah. We just have to whip that off, though.
Yeah, pull this corner. Cut down here, Axel.
Or
Yeah, cut down there. Well packaged indeed. Alright. That's the first bit. Don't do that. Cut from the side here. We always lift through from the side.
Yep.
Yep, so, no. Cut this way. Watch your finger. Cut along here. No. Here. I'll put the scissors in. Cut that way.
okay.
Yeah, so you're cutting the tape. Yep.
Nope.
Is it good? Yep, now you cut down the middle. Alright, stop. Come cut the other side. Cut this bit along here, just like you did before. Watch your fingers, careful. I'm just cutting this tape there. Yep. Just watch yourself. Let me see if it lifts up.
Around.
Now you're going to cut along there. That's it. Ooh, a stubby cooler. Thank you very much. Oh, a sticker. Wonderful. Thank you. Some padding. Open this bit up. Open the box. Yep. There you go. Oh, what have we got here? Beautiful. So these are the upper control arms. Yeah, there's two of them. That's wonderful, one for each side. So these are a little bit special because not only do they have 35 millimeters normally wider between these two ball joints, but these brackets also further offset. So they use the original mounting holes, but everything's nice and wide, so we've got a big space between here. Notice this is quite wide down to the back, so you can get the other one lined up. There we go. So all together.
Let me just. There we go. That's better. And on the side. Hang on, let me just mark.
Lovely. That'll be the picture. There you go. Check them out. Fab House, Australian made, making great products.